guys, I'm going to Lombok now. I have a mission there, but I tell you about it later. Welcome to Lombok! So beautiful! And my mission is to climb Rinjani. Give me 5.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
Hey, so I'm starting my way to the mountain. I'm feeling so excited. Just look how crazy it is. Unbelievable how I will go there. I hope that I will survive.
I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still.
Such a relaxing break at post 2. We will have a lunch here and relax.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
Just passed the place which is called 7 Hills of Regret, and some tourists, they come back at this stage, but it's not about me. I'm a fighter. I already arrived in the camp and I feel really cold, and outside is raining, so I'm really happy I'm inside. The rain has gone and look at this view. And here on this summit I'm going to climb today in the night, and there I'm going to stay 2 nights. Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow I will spend my days there. There is also a hot spring. Good night. Now it's 2 a.m. and I feel so tired. I have to climb to the summit now, and my legs, I feel pain.